Hello students, so this is Introduction to 11.1 Basic Trigonometric Function. This part basically we will talk about angles. Angles are basically measured in two different units. We have degree, right, which all of you are more familiar with degree, like 360 degree, 180 degree, right? But there's also another unit for angles, which we call radian, right? Radians, right? Another unit. Why do we have this other unit? Now, basically, radian is introduced for a lot of reasons. One of the reason is being in trigonometry is easier to do trigonometric calculation like sine, cos, and tan if your angle is in radian. And in circle as well, right? Finding area of sector, it is basically easier if you have your angles in radian. So you have two different units, okay? Now, because you have two different units, you need to know how to convert radians to degree and degree to radians, right? So we look at examples, just one example each so that you know how to convert. For example, if you're given 75 degree and you want to convert to radian, right? So you just need to remember that pi radian, right? Pi is like 3.1 something, right? 142. You just need to remember that pi radian is basically 180 degree, right? This conversion is basically like 100 ringgit Malaysia, how much is Sing dollar, right? So you need to know this conversion. Pi radian is 180. So if I want to convert 75 degree to radian, okay, normally we would just switch. 180 is basically pi radian. So if I have 75 degree, how much is this angle in radian, right? So if you have written it properly like this, 180 equals to pi radian, then the conversion is very simple. We always divide, right, in the same column, and then we always multiply, right? Divide the same column and multiply the opposite. So you get 75 divided by 180 times pi, right? Which will give you simplify to pi, 5 pi over 12. You see? So this conversion is very important, right? Pi radian is 180. Okay, what if you have radian and you want to convert to degree? Same thing, right? Let's say I have pi over 3. This is in radian. Convert to degree. Okay, again, I write the conversion, the conversion relationship. Pi radian is 180 degree, right? You can always swap, depends on whether you want to convert to radian or degree, but this is radian to degree, so we leave it like this. And if I have another angle pi over 3, which is in radian, I want to convert to degree. Again, the same unit, you put it in the same column, and all you need to do is divide and then multiply. So the pi over 3 radian, divide, that means I times 1 over pi, and then I times 180. So the pi would cancel out, and this one will give me 60 degree, right?